We're here at some shopping center on this Highway 55 here, Haymarket.
Virginia.
Yep, and we have here is an Impulse here, right? Here it is. Yes, we're going out. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Interesting. Wait, let's go up to 3. Impulse buttons. Definitely a pretty nice cab. Let's go down to 1. Here's the lantern. So that shakes. And that's where we are. ThyssenKrupp 2100. Impulse buttons with the 80 phone. And there goes the elevator. It's definitely a nice one, especially for outdoor shopping area. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.